Hi, my name is Adin, and I am a rising junior at the Heschel School. For my starter project, I did the Mintyboost charger. This charger can work with any USB cord, and it can charge your phone. Let me just show you how it works. So you have the charging symbol right there, so we know it's charging. So basically, this whole device runs through the printed circuit board, which is at the top of the tin can. Here, let me just move the cord out of the way. And there's many different components. One component is the resistors, and these reduce the current flow to the PC board, so it doesn't, to the printed circuit board, so nothing overflows and there's no overflow of energy. But there's also some resistors on the edges of the circuit board that can determine what type of charger is in the charger, so it can know beforehand. And then there's also the ceramic capacitors, and these are the ones that filter out the high frequency noise so everything's running smoothly, but they also make sure that the boost converter chip is putting out the same energy every time into the USB port to make sure that the same 5 volts are being put out. Also, the diode, another key component of this device, makes sure that the energy is only flowing to the USB port from the batteries and not the other way around, so there's no malfunction. Another part is the IC socket, and the main purpose of the IC socket is basically just to keep the boost converter chip protected and make sure nothing breaks. And then there's also the power inductor, and the power inductor is responsible for why the 3 volts that are given by the batteries is able to be converted into 5 volts, because it allows for low voltages to be converted into high voltages. Another part is the electrolytic capacitors, and these stabilize the energy when it's going through the power inductor to make sure that when it jumps from 3 volts to 5 volts, nothing goes wrong. And they also cut, just like the ceramic capacitors, they make sure that the low frequency noise is cut out. And that's my project. And some issues I faced when I was making my project is that when I soldered, the wires wouldn't always stay on, so they would fall off every time I put it in a tin can. But at the end, when it became more steady with my hands, I was able to get it in and make it work.